Sorry about that before. Had a bit of a brain fade there. Look, I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's get rid of all this. Sorry. Alright, let's get this done. Sine theta equals cos pi on 2 take theta. So if I'm going to say this, I'm going to say that sine of pi on 8 is equal to cos pi on 2 take pi on 8. Because I just replaced theta with what it was, which is pi on 8. So it's I don't know why I was trying to complicate it. Sorry about that. So sine of pi on 8 is equal to cos, so pi on 2 is 4 pi on 8, take pi on 8 gives me 3 pi on 8. So therefore, theta is going to be 3 pi on 8. That's it. Don't know why I tried to make it so complicated, but there you go. Sorry about that. Last one. Given that sine theta equals 3 on 5, and sine x is 3 on 5 and x is in quadrant 2, find cos x and tan x. Now as soon as I see something like this, 3 on 5, this is what I think. I think that if I draw a 90-degree triangle, sine is going to be 3 over 5, which means that using Pythag, this last side will be 4. And so if you want to find cos is going to be 4 over 5. And if I want to find tan is going to be 3 over 4. And because it's a nice 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triad, I can do it like this. Only thing you have to consider is that I'm finding cos, and it's in quadrant, we're over here, quadrant 2. So only sine is positive here, so this is going to be negative, and tan is also going to be negative. So that's one way of doing it. Alternatively, you might want to use the Pythagorean identity, and it's up to you whichever way you want to do it. But for Pythagorean identity, sine squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. And so if we want to find cos x, I'll rearrange. So cos x will be 1 take away sine squared x. And that's going to be plus or minus the square root. So I just rearranged there to make cos x the subject. Now, sine x is 3 on 5. So this is plus or minus 1 take 3 on 5 squared, or square root. 3 on 5 is 9 on 25. 1 take away 9 on 25 will be 16 on 25. So this is plus or minus 4 on 5. So this is using the Pythagorean identity, and of course, because we're in quadrant 2, only sine is positive, so we're going to say therefore cos x is negative 4 on 5. Now, for tan, we know tan x is sine on cos. And they told us before that sine x is 3 on 5. Divided by cos x, which we just found as a negative 4 on 5. Of course, if I'm dividing by a fraction, I like to use this notation, so I can flip it. 3 on 5 times negative 5 on 4.